Big up Crosses TV.
Yeah, my
Crosses
son
TV. That
crosses.
bad.
Me I
All
tell
right.
ya.
Yeah, I said Puss determined to read the whole passage, you know. She never
And
read
that
half,
good.
you know. Puss determined to read the whole passage.
Yeah.
Mighty God. Yeah, that shit was funny, yeah.
Don't
I
know
did
you
that.
fuck.
The woman that cussed me already, man. Oh, Jesus. Crosses Stevie, me love you, baby. Because me already. Crosses TV, please take the demon them off of me. You say you is Crosses TV. You're coming like Ghostbusters. So we need you to go over there with your Crosses TV and take up the crosses and flush it. Just like the Ghostbusters, then put her in a one machine. We're tired of that big dirty crosses woman there. I swear. She's annoying. And nobody see you. It was so funny to hear the people them in them war. And here comes Susie just in the middle of the people. I'm hear the people them, but I don't know her. Do you know her? I don't know her. I only seen her one time. But nobody that even didn't know your mama. What a blood clot is. The cash queen, she come rise you up again first. No. I don't know. Mighty God. They look close to God. But I like how put angle the situation yesterday, beat her with the Bible though. That is the best way. That is how you angle a demon. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Somebody go into the car, pick up my purse for me, please. Just tell her about the Bible, the Psalms, and the Bible. I should depend on war. I want to war. I want to war. I lied. That's what she said. You know why? You know why? She disturbed. Something wrong with her. She obsessed and possessed. When she first start talk about Puss Grand Pitney them, or they ugly and this and that. Oh, Puss is not a real grandmother. Look how much one started that talk that say Puss is not a real grandmother. She's not a real mother, and she this and that. Them have the vloggers them have you say it, mama. But she say on her live that your grandparents them ugly and them favor this and favor that. But Puss never said nothing about her picnic. Puss just said never that she need to go get the little girl because the baby not talk. And the only reason why Puss mentioned her because Mr. Puss and the baby that was just born, I said, Dada. Puss grandson, I said, Dada. And I chat and I cool and I go on. But yesterday when she were cursing Puss, Puss never say anything about her child. She stopped mentioning it. And she first mentioned it. Because she said about my daughter fuck big man and them things. So then disrespect between the Susie tea and box they lick it down, you know. I just true with us not really in an argument. You're not worth me going to jail. You're not even worth me putting my hands on your nasty sour body. You're just not worth it. Right? I don't know. The lady do too much. She not worth it. She not worth you like your time. Can you go to the car for me real quick? My bag out relax. She not worth it. She not worth it at all, mama. Man, if I one piece of suck out this and suck out that and she run. That's all she do. Big pussy, suck pussy, fuck out cash queen, suck for laptop, chicken and burger, puss suck dick, suck out puss. All right, what else you got, Susie? What else? If that's the case, the whole of we suck out and fuck out here. I don't know which virgin the IG. If we not do all of that, what she do? Yeah, but which virgin the IG? So what else you got, Susie? All you doing is walking and talking about yourself, cause you suck out and fuck out. And for no say, even if me suck out and fuck out of some nice, clean man fuck and suck me out. But what kind of dirty man over Bonnie Plaza you over there make a sucker fuck you out of that if you talk? Them man they couldn't touch me with a long pole. Them thinking all dirty drunker man they over there so could not touch me, Susie. Another man that you go breathe for, girl. Them man that you dealt with for. You're not shame man, you're in a class. You can't size up with top girl. You know why you think say to a stinking girl come on this and try to bring me down, you feel like you cannot join. But you're not even the for them level, mama, because certain man will fuck them can't fuck you. A certain man fuck me, nah fuck you, mama. And the man them will fuck you could never touch me. Them all stinking dirty rasta man them couldn't touch me. And them little junkin man in that plaza couldn't touch me, Susie.
My God.
Everybody know oh, Bunny Plaza nasty over there, so mama. And you live behind it. We know where you live now, mama. Come on, girl. Like, get the fuck off my name. Nobody was thinking about you, bitch. Roll around the ground in the party. Yes, she's CM1. What the fuck me argue with you, Susie? Stop calling my name for clout, Bridget. Go and focus on the big fish and leave me the little fish. Love, say about me, you're gonna make me feel no way. All we have to do is just bring down the facts. And the facts remain, you is a grown lizard, you're a grown floor. You're workless somebody. You understand? You're butter ears. You're worrying girl in a real life. You worry yourself for real for money. I mean, you know, say, if you go in at them big sour pussy where you have nobody not spend more than $20. So you sell yourself cheap. And me never have to do that in a life. Mama, so me and you it's not the same thing. Leave me alone. I don't like when I have to come and address you. I don't. Every time when somebody call my name, you call my name. So if me hear somebody calling them, you go laugh. And if I want to say here's a rolling cap, me go say it. You can't stop me from call your name if me feel like. You can't stop me from laugh off of you. You can't stop me from saying, she was a prostitute in Jamaica at 14. She never take care of picking them. Her son and her daughter, them a minor, a foreign. Me will do it. And you can't stop me, Susie. You cannot stop me from say what I want to say. You cannot stop me from do what I want to do. You can't stop me from laugh off of you and shame the fact say me did ever take you serious. Me shame the day when me say me ever take you serious and have you talk on phone. Mama, move on, Gwen, man. With this your pitiful blood clot depressing life. You know, go and go live it. Allow me, you know, see me over here do my thing. You see me, I bother you. What go on, my sister?
Nothing, sister. Go and rub. Go on good.
Yeah, cause what the fuck should I call my name? Yesterday, me there at the pool side all day. What if I need to check out my email again? No. Me there at the pool side all day and me get a phone call say the woman a call my name and I'm sitting there. I'ma just post a video. I'm in the caption. I'ma put I don't give a fuck.
So they're trying to draw you into this.
So look. This is what I post yesterday.
You understand me? This is not no.
This is what I post. For certain people say, you know, have to call me and tell me what people. Because guess what?
This is without filter.
Watch out, Susie. Watch my skin oil clean.
This is not lotions nor pills.
No filter.
And then she said me call you out.
Surgery. You see this? With what little sleep I get and how
You see, Susie, you're not travel, so you don't know sir hotel me now.
Good.
Everybody knows sir so hotel look.
Blessings.
So I'm outside.
This is without filter.
Watch my skin, you know, you don't have cellulite. Dirty girl gifted where I call my name. You're full of blood clot cellulite.
This is not no form of surgery.
Watch how my leg them smooth and clean inside.
What little sleep I get and how hard I work. Damn.
Damn.
Look good.
Good for 42.
This is blessing.
Yeah. Right there, so I see my caption. This is what my caption was, people. See what it said? It said, if you wanna can say, it said, I'm so tired of saying, I don't give a fuck. So, Susie, mama, who got life for you, mama? Who went live for you? Me? Me did that talk about you, mama. Nobody did think about you. The whole day, me relax. Me have my hand behind my head like a rich woman. I think about my plans them and I map out what we are deal with business wise and I'm thinking about the pool side and I enjoy myself yesterday. Who remember about you, Susie? Who did I think about you, Susie? Sit up, sit up, call you like that yesterday. You never see me I relax.
I know. So I never even bother you. And all this bullshit. Auntie Roberto. Auntie beat her with the Bible. She
I
couldn't
hear
take
Diva
it.
go say one woman in the comments say, oh, Susie deal with Puss. Oh, Susie for deal with Puss.
Auntie beat her with the
And what
Bible.
kind
She couldn't take
of
it.
ground floor lizard
She
could have
couldn't
deal with
take it.
top
I
people?
was
No
just
one.
waiting for Post to draw for the Psalms. But she did not beat her with the Bible.
Beat her with the Bible car. We have to beat her with the Bible car.
To
Demon.
see a Satan himself that she moved from him bodyguard to him daughter. So you know she gone. She gone down in a rant. Never stand back the request. She moved from the daughter to the from this bodyguard to the daughter. She soon turned the wife now.
Demon daughter. Satan daughter.
And she make a page name Satan daughter too.
Fucking idiot.
And you know, I chew me bad. That's why I take the name and say me name the daughter.
Blood
I never see another
clot.
motherfucker.
Illiterate fucking dunce. Dopey bat.
Yesterday me I beat her with the blood. She said where the blood there drip. Where blood there?
Blood
Oh me
at
not see no blood.
That's why she come on it a ball. Cause the blood take you.
She a ball out. Boy.
We
Who
need to
can
go
do
on
something
prayer meeting for your
constructive.
blood clot.
All
And
we
that's
do
what
are
I
curse
go
people and bring that. Last week you did not bring down Nana. And last week you did not bring down Nana. You did not kill your feet and bring down Nana and bring down everybody.
do.
So in time of your turn, take your turn, everybody have them turn.
Everybody
When
have
time
them.
you gang up with cash queen turn, a your turn now. A
Alright.
turns by turn we take out ya.
I true.
To me
Tell them
term
auntie.
gone already.
Eh?
Sister one gone, the cash queen one, a your turn. You sit down, take your turn, girl.
Sit down in the hot seat.
Yup,
Only
I
thing
see
you
our
get in the
time for
world.
sure.
Cause every dog, rat and
Have
puss race by
them
you.
here.
All toughy rubber. Toughy
Alive.
class over PR said everybody are up. She run go look friend from Toughy said, me no want no friend from you. Go in and come.
Oh, God.
Toughy said, remember you come out and I go on when you over candy them and die with them or you bring me down. And you talk the word to oh no, you want to come friend me. Me no want, hey, go away. And she Tuffy run out like a dog, you know. She go send man come kill Tuffy.
You say she love talk about them sitting there. That's why we're gonna live for here, you know. And let me tell you something, you're gonna make news, Susie.
At $5,000, she said she have for my head, you know.
Susie, you're gonna make the news. You know why? You need to stop wish bad for other people because people are telling the truth.
And she said she a win Robin. Oh yeah, win Robin. Oh, me never threaten none of them yet because none of them are not my threat. None of them not see none of them are do me no damage. Because
Exactly.
me just laugh off of them and relax, cook, sleep, and I rub them. Me not to
Every
kill out myself.
when she lose a fight, first thing I'm gonna shoot you. Me gonna send man kill you. You got dead. Me I go up your man,
Yeah.
mama. That's
She
the
said she
only
like
thing you
a
can
over man to me
do.
and she go burn down my house. Lord
You
Jesus.
just sound bad mind. I mean, I don't know if you're not see, if you're not here, say you're bad mind. You
And
sound bad
the
mind.
girl is a sick, you know, say, a mad woman, she say, you remember the last time, it said she give me headache and raise up my blood pressure. She see up the video and they pan. When you listen this, listen how me are the bad girl, because me raise her blood pressure.
She's
You should
weird.
be shaming when time people say raise them blood pressure because you're gnawing the knives. The bag of knives where you come with. When she a cuss, it come like 100 people a cuss, like a she and the dopey them a cuss. When you are war with she, come like say, all the dopey them and attack you with a banner. Everybody takes that by your side, cash and stay.
Yeah, casting and sin.
When you argue with Suzie, you hear dopey for all and so she raise the blood
Oh,
and then
nice.
she save it and I say,
You have to ask
she save it and
like cash screen.
yeah. Me I come here river move one here. She save it now, Diva, and I say,
Me ear is can't play it back.
yeah, me raise the blood pressure. She's so stupid, I realize. And somebody I say, Diva, stop it nice, look how you want to raise my high blood pressure. Why you make so much? Like, she make a bag of nice. She don't realize that because she so stupid and make a bag of nice, she'll raise the blood pressure.
Good
Well,
Jesus,
she take it for compliment. Hey, she take it for compliment, my love. She said, listen, oh me lick her puss head. Listen, me raise her blood pressure.
Yo,
She think,
so that when they go, when you argue with all the dopey them,
yeah, man, let's see when the dopey them run
Yeah,
out
man, she
for me,
couldn't
me
handle
say.
it, dog.
When the
She
dopey
said she
them
over here,
run out
so.
for me say, be it dopey. Me I said, blood clot. Me said the blood. Me have to put them under the blood. Me have to say,
yo,
Yeah,
when Puss said that, you know, at that time she get more mother. Jesus.
yeah, because deep man, I'm the truth. Sometimes you have to use the cross beat them, man.
me say Psalms 100, Psalms 27, Psalms 55, Psalms 91. Me say Psalm, me say Proverb, Jeremiah. Me say me have to ball
I'm
out
good
for
for
the
you. I will send you over there. They should have beat you up.
said it up in them attack me no blood clot. Soon as me know
Mm-hmm.
you gonna record that one and I want to put it up and say here they don't put them attack me. Me say it up in them attack me no blood clot.
She over there.
Me say Susie. You see, I know we are laugh off her and a clown and I say Susie bad you know. She go save that and then play it one next time. I say here she has me bad. Me
No,
say
we
Susie
say we
mad
bad. We
and
say
bad in a
you walk
one.
with some bad up here. That's what we say.
Me say when I time I have to go for me olive oil and put the cross on me and say the blood. The blood.
Look, the Lord is my shepherd.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He made me lay down in the, me say the blood.
Yes.
If you ball out the blood, me say don't you go for kill me with lick over here.
A good for you. Who said you down to hell?
It's
We
true,
don't
she
know
couldn't
who gave
handle it,
passage
like,
down to hell.
a trooper,
Temporary
she couldn't
passage.
handle it, dog. She said, why you come over here with the Bible? And then she couldn't take it, like, she couldn't take it. and
She
shit.
couldn't take it.
Oh,
She couldn't deal with the Bible.
No.
time.
She want cuss I tell people every minute about suck pussy, suck this. Nobody don't want to hear them there. She
And
cuss
talking
me the
about the
same way.
kids. Yeah, the kids. Yeah, I don't like how
Leave
she,
at the
yeah.
same way, laugh at the same way. She cuss everybody the same. Suck you about that big pussy. Me don't want to hear that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
She couldn't take the
I know, I
blood,
hear
man.
that.
Mm.
She and you see the blood. What she mean by the blood? You see the blood that drip?
What she mean by the blood? No, she said her mama was a
Then
Christian.
say she a
For
feel
the blood
like
of Jesus.
me know Steph, me know she a idiot. When she bad up herself and say Steph tea for her things and then Steph here and start rub her and go call her pitney them and say the pitney them a back him and she go make them beat and she a class Steph, you know. It's when she hear Steph say she go make man beat up the mama and so she
She started
run over
crying.
Steph's side, me or Nick
She started
and
crying that time. I remember
yeah,
that.
she start to cry
She
and
Mm-hmm.
started to
run go make
bawl.
my friend from Steph.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And I forgot to say the day to show you how stupid she is. I remember I needed a help her cause Steph, you know. When me see her and she switched back. So me just try me run and me look back. I mean
Mm-hmm.
she tell people say me I look friend for me. Every day this dirty woman I call me and me no look, me say me not argue with that.
Wild animal, she can't tame and she have no loyalty. I mean, I like people who stay so. I'm sorry. Because when the morning when she turned against me, I was so shocked because she was over there with her false prayer. I mean, in the comment, I say, "Good morning, sis." Then me realized I mean she did that bring me bumbo clat at me. She do it because you just was on the phone with me. You just did a talk about Momo, the whole of them, and I chat about them. You was just on the phone with me saying, I know you're not the one, and them I try to come make me and you have problem. Then the next morning you turn against me. So me go up on my life and say, thank you, Jesus, for remove her from my life. Puss on that me
I
did
remember. I remember.
because me never care, so you come out of my life because me just did a wait for you to remove yourself. And Puss come over there and say,